Yeah, hello everyone. Myself Rakesh. I'm here to explain about game development. So basically, when we go for game development, they will be having different kinds of platforms. So I'm taking a platform like Unity, which is very useful, like developing a game in single platform and porting into many platforms. So for Unity platform, just Unity software, just visit a site like www.unity3d.com, where you can get software of Unity 3D. So basically Unity 3D indicates like it is used for developing games both in 2D and 3D itself. So after just go visit this site and download your software. So as I have already downloaded my software, just I'm going to open my Unity. So here it is Unity. Okay. Yeah. So now I want to explain about each and every basics in scenes environment of Unity. So just I want to take a new project. So when we open a new project, when we select a new project, there will be options like open project. Open project indicates the project which is already present in your Unity. So these are the already projects which are present in my Unity. So I'm just taking create new project. So it asks a location for me to select. So I can select my own location, or else if not I cannot. And just I'm giving a name for my project. Uh, Sample one is my project name. So below this there will be different kinds of options like packages. There are uh, character controller, light cookies, light flares, particles, physics materials, projectors, scripts, unities. These are different kinds of packages. So we can import these packages based on our requirement. So I will be explaining in detail about this each and every package later afterwards. I will be I want to explain about this environment. So when we come down, there will be option like 2D and 3D. So we can select options based on our requirement. So I just want to select 3D option and click on create. Then it creates a new Unity project. Yeah. So when I create a new Unity project, basically it is having an empty scene. So I'm just saving that scene as sample sample one. Okay. Just I'm saving that scene. So this is my scene. Here scene indicates nothing but a game page or some kind of when you take application, they will be having of different kinds of pages, right? So when we take a website, they will be having different kinds of websites. Similarly here in game, they will be having different kinds of views, the different kinds of pages. So a scene indicates like a page for us. So this is a basic scene. Now yeah. So when you go for file menu, these are different menus which are already present, which are present in Unity. So when you go for file menu, you can see options like new scene, open scene, save scene as. So these are the different options. Scene is nothing but I said like it's a page for us. So when you go for build settings, you can see different options like web player, Mac, iOS, Android, BlackBerry, Windows Store, Windows Phone 8. So as I earlier said that Unity is a software which is used to build games in different platforms. So that is I'm just creating a game here in my scene view. In my scene view here, I will be doing my entire designing part of my game. The test running of your application will be done in game view. So after the development of your application, when you go for build settings, you can port your application to web player or Mac or iOS or Android, BlackBerry. That is based on our wish. Okay. So this is one of the major advantage. Then we go for edit. They will be having different kinds of options like play, pause, selection, project settings. This is one of the important option like project settings. So when click on project settings, there is option like input. So when you click on input, you can see in the rightmost corner you can see an option like axis in the inspector window. So what is inspector window? So inspector window is like a property window which gives all the properties for us. So there are different kinds of options like horizontal, vertical, fire one, jump. These are different kinds of options. So basically when we take a game, the person who develops the game gives some kind of keyboard input shortcuts. For example, when we play a game like cricket, when we press shift plus S, the person comes front and hit the ball. So it is like placing your shortcut keys. So input is like input manager indicates that it manages all the input keys of the game. So all the things can be done here itself. Okay. So that This is very simple. Basically, the size predefined size is of 15. If you want to increase, that is basically when you take a game, it is having so many controls, keyboard shortcut keys. So, for example, if my game have 19 keys, just I am selecting as 19. So here it will be increasing. The number of keys, shortcut keys will be increasing. So I can change according to myself. According to give, I can give according to my button name D. So when I press the D, the person should jump. Here it's like okay. So this is main thing is like inspector window. It's like properties window, and when you go for edit project settings, you'll be seeing like input for our game. Okay. So then we go for assets. Assets is nothing but a new game objects. Assets, we can import packages. Whatever the package we required, we can import here from here. Assets is nothing but a images, whatever the extra things we can import externally. So game object. So game object is nothing but a particular object for our game. We can have predefined. We can have different types of game objects like cube, sphere, capsule, cylinder, sprite, cloth, terrain, ragdoll, etc. These are different kinds of game objects which are already present. Yeah, okay, fine. So component is like adding some kind of extra behaviors to your game. Okay, we can add some kind of extra behaviors for your game object. Okay, so window is like normal windows, scene view. To have some kind of extra windows, scene, game inspector, project animation. These are some kind of basic things. Then we go for a hierarchy. So yeah, so what is hierarchy? Hierarchy is nothing but what are the things which are present in scene view, that is which are very active in scene view, will be displayed in hierarchy. So it present in my scene view, there is only camera, main camera, so it is displayed in scene view hierarchy. So when we add some kind of game object like a cube, so my scene view contains camera as well as cube, so which are very active in the scene view will be displayed in hierarchy. And assets contains all the things, scenes, solution, the entire project solution will be displayed in present in assets. Okay, sorry, the entire scenes, images, JavaScript files, whatever the coding part, entire project solution will be present in project here. So now inspector is like showing all the properties window. Project contains entire solution. Hierarchy contains currently active objects, game objects. And now scene view is like editing view, where we can edit our game objects, where we can develop our game. So game view is like running our application. So we can't edit in game view, just we can test your application. Okay, so this is our game view. As of now, these are the basic concepts like basic things: hierarchy, scene view, game view, properties window, and project. So this is a basic environment of our Unity. So they will be having different kinds of options like here, in order to zoom, rotate, close nearer, in order to translate here and there. We can, these are different options provided for us. Yeah. Now we can go into deeper, that is creating a small terrain in our next session. Thank you.